Well, hello, I'm Shonnie Alridge, your favorite real estate broker and appraiser in Atlanta, Georgia. And I'm actually in Henry County in the city of Hampton visiting this beautiful DRB home behind me. It's the Perkins. There's an open house today, so I decided, oh, let me get out here and have a look at what's going on. This is not a model home, but it is a home that's available. The beauty of it is that it sits on a full basement that is stubbed for a bathroom. So we're going to go inside and see what all the fuss is about. Let's go.
Welcome to the Traditions at Crystal Lake, a DRB Homes community perfectly situated in an existing luxury community. This Perkins Plan sits on a full basement and is ready for your customization. Priced at $539,840, this home offers 3,177 square feet, 2-car garage, 5-bedroom, 4-bath, and the homeowner association is $200 a year. Enjoy the tour. Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely model home. This is the Perkins on a full basement. Absolutely beautiful, so spacious. I'm actually in the bathroom right now because there's actually an open house taking place, and I don't want to get in the way of the other people who are looking at this beautiful home as well. Now, if you need any help buying a new home, please give me a call. I have 20 years of experience in real estate sales. I'm also an appraiser, so I'm really skilled at valuations. My information is right here. Give me a call. You can text me, email me, find me on Instagram, and also subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to do that. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for your support. I would love to assist you. Remember, you don't want to go at it alone when it comes to new construction. You want to make sure you have representation. The builder has their sales agents, and you want someone to represent your interests. So if you're relocating to Georgia, or if you already live here and you want to find some place that's new and spacious and nice, I can help you with that. I can't wait to work with you, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.